Alright, now we are going to do practice 3, improper fractions and mixed numbers. Alright, convert each improper fraction to a mixed number and express your answer in the simplest form. Right, let's take a look at the first question. 8 out of 5, now it's already given here as 5 out of 5. So you take 8 minus 5, so here will be 3 out of 5, because 5 plus 3 gives you 8. So this 5 out of 5 is 1 whole plus 3/5, so it's 1 whole and 3/5. That's your answer. Okay, part B, all you need to do is denominator is 7, right? So it's 7 out of 7 plus. Now, can you take another 7 out of 7? No, because 7 plus 7 will already give you 14. This is only 12. So you take 12 minus 7. So your answer will be a 5 out of 7. So here will be 1 whole plus 5 out of 7, and that's 1 whole 5 out of 7. Now, those of you who wants to do it division way, right? So which means you take your 12 and 7. So here will be quotient, that's your whole number, remainder, and number of parts. Okay, right, next. Alright, part C, 9 out of 4, so you take 4 out of 4 plus 4 out of 4. 4 plus 4 gives you 8. So 9 take away 8 will give you 1 out of 4. So that's 1 whole plus another whole plus another quarter. So your answer is 2 whole and 1 quarter. Okay. Those of you who want to do your division, you can actually check and do it on this side. So here will be whole number 2 and 1 quarter. Okay. Right, next. 13 out of 6, so it's 6 out of 6 plus 6 out of 6 plus 6 and 6 gives you 12. So 13 minus 12 gives you 1 out of 6. So that's 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 1 out of 6. Your answer is 2 out of 6. So if you want to do your division method, just do it by the side to check your answer. So that's 2 and 1. 2 whole, 1 out of 6. Okay. Right, part 2. What are the mixed numbers represented by the letters on the number line? So as you can see, you have here 9 out of 5 is actually your improper. Okay, so you are supposed to change it to mixed number. So for part A, right, all you need to do is to just take this, goes to 5 out of 5 plus 4 out of 5, and that's 1 plus 4/5. Your answer is 1 whole and 4/5. That's your answer for part A. Okay, for part B, 13 out of 5, that is 5 out of 5 plus 5 out of 5, that's 10. So 13 minus 10 will give you 3 out of 5, and that's 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 3/5. So that's 2 whole and 3/5, and that's your answer for B. Okay. Next. Convert each mixed number to an improper fraction from mixed to improper and give your answer in its simplest form. Alright, let's take a look at this. So here you have 2 and 3/5. So now they only give you one of this and then plus 3/5. So you must be able to know that this 2 whole is actually 5 plus 5 out of 5 plus 5 out of 5, and that's 10 out of 5. So this answer is 10. So 10 plus 3 is 13 out of 5. Okay. Right, next you have another mixed number. So this 3 whole, you look at the denominator is 6, so it's 6 out of 6 plus, that's 1 whole, 6 out of 6, 2 whole, plus 6 out of 6, 3 wholes, plus 5 out of 6. So here you have 6, 12, 18, 18 plus 5, 23 out of 6. Okay, right, next you have 2 whole, 5 out of 8. So this is 2 whole, this is your denominator, so it's 8 out of 8 plus 8 out of 8, that's 2 whole, plus 5 out of 8. So it's 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 5 is 21 out of 8. Right, next 4 whole and 2 out of 7. So this is 4 wholes, 7 out of 7 plus 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 whole, 4 whole, and 2 out of 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28. 28 plus 2, that's 30 out of 7. That's your answer. Okay, next. What are the improper fraction represented by the letters on the number line? Express your answer in the simplest form. Alright, as you can see, we have here a mixed number. 1 whole and 2 eighths. So 1 whole and 2 eighths. So you change your 1 whole to 8 out of 8 plus 2 out of 8. So that's 10 out of 8. So divided by 2 is 5 out of 4. So that's your answer, 5 out of 4 for A. For part B, 1 whole, 4 8. Alright, so you know your 1 whole is actually 8 out of 8 plus 4 out of 8. So that's 12 out of 8. So divided by 4 divided by 4, and that's 3 out of 2. So this answer is 3 out of 2. Alright everyone. Okay, bye.